Digitally securing India is an achievable goal, especially with the support of national bodies like CERT-IN, Indian Computer Emergency Response Team. CERT-IN plays a pivotal role in strengthening cybersecurity across the country by focusing on threat intelligence, incident response, and collaboration with industry and government entities. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. CERT-IN continuously monitors the internet for security threats and vulnerabilities, issuing alerts and advisories to government agencies, businesses, and citizens. This proactive approach helps mitigate large-scale cyber attacks. CERT-IN coordinates responses to cybersecurity incidents such as data breaches, ransomware attacks, and phishing campaigns. They provide guidance on countermeasures, minimizing damage and speeding up recovery. According to CERT-IN, the vulnerabilities affect Google Chrome versions prior to 128.0.6613.119/120 for Windows and Mac OS and versions prior to 128.0.6613.119 for Linux. These flaws have been assigned the CVE identifiers CVE 2024-8362 and CVE 2024-7970. CERT-IN explains that these vulnerabilities stem from use after free issues in web audio and other components of Chrome, which can be exploited by remote attackers to gain control over affected systems. Critical infrastructure sectors, which is power, transport, banking, etc., must be protected through comprehensive security policies, including regular security audits, patch management, and robust incident response frameworks. CERT-IN already supports these efforts by offering guidelines and best practices. India's growing focus on national cybersecurity policies can help develop strict laws for data protection and cybersecurity compliance across industries. CERT-IN plays a key role in enforcing these standards. Detailing more about the risks, CERT-IN notes that these reported vulnerabilities could allow a remote attacker to execute arbitrary code on the targeted system. In simpler terms, this means that hackers can exploit these vulnerabilities, and if successful, they could run away any command or software on your computer without your permission. Once they gain the access, they could potentially take full control of the system, allowing them to steal sensitive information like passwords and financial details, install malicious software, or even use your computer to launch attacks on others. According to the advisory, please update your Google Chrome browser even if you do not use it regularly. If you have it installed and not updated, vulnerability exists and can be exploited by hackers without your intervention or clicking on anything. It affects the OS, both Windows and iOS. Let's look into today's headlines. CrowdStrike appoints Kartik Sahani as VP India and SAARC. CrowdStrike has appointed Kartik Sahani as Vice President of India and South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, SAARC. Sahani will lead CrowdStrike's regional go-to-market strategy to accelerate continued growth and customer adoption of the market-leading CrowdStrike Falcon cybersecurity platform. With more than 30 years of IT and cybersecurity experience, Sahani is an established leader in driving sales operations, including growth strategies, capacity planning, and top and bottom line profitability. Huge jackpot owned by a Crate user. Prize cancelled by company over technical issue. Aviral Sangal, a Crate user, received a grand prize that included a MacBook, iPad, AirPods Max, and a Tumi bag valued at 3.25 lakh rupees. But later on, Crate called off the jackpot, alleging a technical issue and providing 1000 rupees in compensation. Sangal, who had already given his PAN number for TDS, insisted that the company accept the award or face legal actions. IAMCP Mumbai chapter meets for the first time at Microsoft office to begin final year 2025. The Microsoft Mumbai office hosted the IAMCP Mumbai chapter's first ever final year 2025 meeting on September 4, 2024. More than 30 Microsoft partner members from the Mumbai region attended the event. The meeting was opened by Neeraj Gargi, president of the IAMCP Mumbai chapter, who highlighted IAMCP's status as the largest association of Microsoft partners and discussed its advantages for attendees. By 2027, 40% of Gen AI solutions to be multimodal predicted by Gartner. Gartner predicts that by 2027, 40% of generative AI solutions, up from 1% in 2023, will be multimodal. The transition from single mode to multimodal models offers improved AI-human interaction as well as a chance to distinguish Gen AI-enabled products. Multimodal Gen AI is one of the two technologies identified in the 2024 Gartner Hype Cycle for generative AI. Battery-powered gadgets are overheating more frequently on planes, raising concern. Lithium-ion battery-powered devices are overheating on flights increasingly, and travelers frequently place them in checked baggage and end up in the cargo hold, where fires may not be discovered as soon. Overheating incidents increased by 28% between 2019 and 2023, despite the fact that they are still very uncommon. Reports from 35 airlines indicate that e-cigarettes overheated more frequently than any other gadget. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.